Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing assorted filled dates, and I fill them with different filling and they are just amazing and delicious. You can make them throughout the Ramadan. You can give them as a gift to your neighbors, to your loved ones, and just let's get started. But if you are new here, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated. I will be posting more videos in the coming weeks. Okay, so first thing first, you need to wash your dates properly. Wash your dates properly and then dry them. Once they get dry, after that, remove the seed from the dates. Once they are all seedless, then you are ready and good to go to fill them in. Okay, so here as you can see, I have removed all the seeds from my dates. Now I'm going to fill them. First thing, I'm taking here hazelnut, and with the hazelnut, as we all know, Nutella is the best. It's the best combination in the whole world, Nutella and hazelnut. So just fill these things together in the dates and they are just done and super delicious, super easy, super delicious. The next one is just fill the Nutella in the date and then put it in the almond on the top of it, and it's done. Isn't it pretty easy? And it's yummy. After that, here I have, you can say like it's a biscuit spread, and or you can take the lotus spread. Just fill in the lotus spread or the biscuit spread in the date and cover it with the crushed biscuit. And if you're using lotus spread, you can cover it with the lotus. Now here, the next one, I have desiccated coconut. I'm mixing it with the condensed milk. Just give them a good mix until you see that a fine mixture, or like you can hold the mixture. It will be like this. As you can see, it's completely fine and it is delicious. Trust me, this one is also delicious. You know, like one tea spread, it's something like that. Okay, so you just fill in it in your date and then it's done. If you want, you can cover your date with the chocolate as well, but I think so that we already have enough calories in this, so no need to cover it with chocolate spread. It tastes delicious anyhow. So here, as you can see, I just put some nuts in the date, cover it in the condensed milk and then in your biscuits, and this is done. Make variations of your choice. There is no hard and fast rule to make this. You can do whatever you like. Just nuts, desiccated coconut on the top, and another one is done. And this one is my favorite. I just put some desiccated coconut and condensed milk mixture in the date, and then I topped it with the Nutella, and this one is so amazing, mind-blowing, trust me. So once they all are done, you can pack them into a nice box or before you serve them to your guests. This wooden box was given to my parents a long time ago, like I think 3 to 5 years ago, by my cousin, and I simply just love this box, so I'm using it to put my dates in it. So here I'm packing one for my neighbors as a Ramadan gesture. So I just took a plastic box, a plastic disposable container, and I fill it with the dates and decorate it as you like. Just pack it and then give it to your neighbors, to your loved ones, and enjoy this Ramadan with your friends and family. Don't forget to pray for me, make duas for me, pray for yourself, make duas for yourself. May Allah accept our prayers, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.